What does it take to identify a suspect from video given a description like, a male person, about 40 years old, wearing a black jacket, and blue jeans? The identification of a suspect from images or videos is a crucial function within TENSOR, as outlined in Use Case 1 and corresponding user requirements. Face recognition technology currently stands as a robust method for identifying suspects from such media. However, its efficacy requires that faces be adequately visible and clear. When facial visibility is inadequate, investigators may resort to witness descriptions, such as a male, approximately 40 years old, wearing glasses, a black jacket, and blue jeans. This kind of information can guide the search for suspects in video data, potentially from surveillance cameras near a crime scene. Identifying someone who matches the witness description in the footage could yield facial images for face recognition use. Given the sometimes massive volume of video data, there's a demand for tools that facilitate these investigative processes. TENSOR is developing a tool to assist in this aspect, enabling investigators to conduct descriptive searches to identify individuals in video data who fit the given descriptions. The implementation of descriptive searches relies on soft biometric information extracted from an individual's face, such as gender estimation and age range. The presence of glasses is another attribute considered. While the attribute list is expandable, the current focus is on these three: gender, age range, and glasses, as a demonstration of the principle. The extraction of these attributes employs convolutional neural networks, CNNs, and was initially applied to single image analysis. Estimating individual attributes from each video frame requires a crucial pre-processing step, computing all person tracks within a video. This task is intricate, as a person's angle and pose may vary significantly along a track, and paths of different individuals may intersect. Once tracks for each individual are isolated, facial regions are extracted from each frame, since the descriptive search attributes are sourced from the face. The figure illustrates a facial cutout with the indicated person attributes. The accuracy of attribute estimations is highly dependent on the quality of the underlying image, which can result in significant variability along a track. As illustrated, age estimations fluctuate considerably. To enhance accuracy and robustness, it is essential to aggregate results over time. To stabilize the attribute estimations throughout a track, we designed an approach to computer-fused single estimation for the entire track. Not every frame along a track is suitable or necessary for this purpose. We utilized various quality metrics to select appropriate frames based on criteria such as facial resolution and pose. Each facial image region is then assigned a quality score that serves as a weight for its estimation and to exclude unsuitable frames. The final estimation is the weighted average of all selected facial regions and is attributed to each frame of the individual in the video. The input data of this tool is a recorded video file. After processing, the tool outputs labeled tracks of individuals with estimates of their gender, age, and whether they are wearing glasses. Face recognition is the primary technology in TENSOR's Use Case 1, aiding in the identification of suspects in a bank robbery captured on video. The tool analyzes the facial regions of suspects who estimate their gender, age, among other characteristics, and feeds this information into the TENSOR system. Let's examine the tool's functionality in a practical setting. After calculating soft biometric attributes for all individuals in a video, this data is used to identify those who meet specific search criteria. For example, if we're searching for a suspect described as a male, approximately 50 years old, wearing glasses, a potential match must meet all three attributes. The age criterion is considered a match if it falls within the range of 50 plus or minus 3 years. The next step is to filter through the video data to find individuals matching this witness description. To display the results, A specialized visualization tool has been developed. In the displayed video, the attributes of the person being searched for are listed at the top left. Each face within the video is framed by a rectangle with the computed attributes from that person's track. Hits are marked with an orange rectangle, while non-hits are marked in blue. There is also a timeline at the bottom of the tool that indicates when a person in the video matches the search attributes, facilitating easy navigation and review within extensive video material. In this presentation, we explored how TENSOR utilizes soft biometric attributes and advanced video analysis to enhance the identification of individuals based on descriptive criteria. Thanks for watching. If face recognition is not available, what other approaches remain for person identification? The ability to identify a suspect from image or video data is a crucial feature in TENSOR for executing use case 1 and meeting its specific user requirements. Currently, facial recognition is a widely used standard technology for analyzing large volumes of image and video data to pinpoint suspects. However, this becomes challenging with CCTV footage, where a person's face may not be visible or the quality may be too poor for identification. Tracking a suspect through a network of cameras serves two purposes. Firstly, it assists in mapping out the individual's movements, vital information for investigators, and secondly, it increases the chances of capturing a facial image clear enough for identification from the network's footage. The tool showcased in this video facilitates the re-identification of a suspect across multiple cameras, beginning with an initial search conducted by an investigator. A major challenge in implementing a person re-identification method is the considerable variation in an individual's appearance within and across video footage, which greatly affects method accuracy. This variability stems from several factors: the camera angle capturing the individual, the diverse postures a person may adopt when moving through a camera's field of view, and the resolution of the image area featuring the person. Additionally, lighting conditions and other elements play a significant role. In our project TENSOR, we initiated our approach to person re-identification by creating a base artificial neural network model. We progressively refined this foundational model and substantially augmented our training dataset. Critical to the training phase is the distinct isolation of individuals from their backgrounds. Prior to utilizing the neural network, we need to extract individual images from the videos in question, which is achieved using a person detector. We also require a reference image of the suspect for comparison with these images. Here's how the re-identification technique functions. Both the suspect's reference image and the extracted images are processed by the neural network, which calculates a unique feature vector for each, a succinct digital representation of the person. To assess if the reference image matches any of the video-derived images, we compare their feature vectors using a matching algorithm. The degree of similarity between these vectors determines whether there's a match or no match. Let's now turn our attention to the outcomes. How does our approach compare with the state of the art? To give an answer to this question, we benchmarked our approach with different ones from the so-called Torch Re-ID library, which comprises of a set of various methods for person re-identification that differ in terms of the underlying models. We could show that our approach outperforms all others on various datasets. As an example, this figure here shows the FAR-FRR curves of our approach compared to the best-performing approach of Torch Re-ID. The input data of this tool is a recorded video file. After processing, the tool delivers person tracks that are labeled with match-no match indication. In the use case 1 description, face recognition is the primary technology used to identify criminals involved in a bank robbery from recorded video. However, if a face is not visible in the video from the crime site, or if the image quality is too low, person re-identification is employed to track an individual across multiple cameras, with the aim of capturing a better facial image of the suspect in other videos. What does our method look like in action? Picture an investigator who has pinpointed a suspect in CCTV footage from a crime scene. Determining whether this suspect is also present in footage from nearby cameras is vital. The investigator selects a suitable reference image of the suspect from the crime scene video, along with footage from an additional camera, and launches the TENSOR person re-identification tool. In this demonstration, the chosen image of the suspect appears in the top right corner. The tool processes the video, identifying individuals frame by frame, and compares each to the reference image. When the tool matches the suspect, it highlights the individual with a red border, non-matches are indicated with a green border. In summary, the TENSOR project's re-identification tool represents a key advancement in video surveillance analysis, enhancing investigative capabilities. Thanks for watching.